Hey, what's up guys? I'm Mercy with DiscountLowVoltage.com and it's time for another product quick view. Let's get to it. Here's a quick look at the AFL FUSEconnect Accessory Kit, part number FUSE, FUSE-AC-KT. Now this is the clamp for the 250 UM and 900 UM fiber. Part number CS004442. Next item we have here is part number S014705, the clamp for the 2mm Simplex cordage. This one here is part number S014704, clamp for the 3.0mm cordage. Now we have part number S014696, the 2.0 FUSEconnect fiber holder. And little magnets right there. Now we have part number S014697. This is the 900 UM FUSEconnect fiber holder. And now we have the part number S014695, the 3.0 FUSEconnect fiber holder. And now we have part number S015862. This is the S70D sheath clamp. Only for the 70S and 19S splicer and sold as a pair. And the last item we have here is going to be part number S014752. Oh, there it is. And this is the S60D sheath clamp. This is only for the 60S and the 18S splicer. It's a good look there. Now we are an authorized AFL distributor for any AFL parts. Detailed spec sheets and to order online, visit DiscountLowVoltage.com.